So you want to inquire about domestic violence. So that probably means that you're either being charged or you're aware that a significant other has called the police and you're worried that they're going to come after you and try to interview you or arrest you or whatever. And so you've obviously got some concerns, and those concerns are well-founded. Domestic violence cases can be a whirling dervish of emotions and activity, okay? But by their very nature, they involve people that we are very close with, either a significant other or a child or something like that. And so already emotions are running high. And on the flip side of that, a lot of the times, once the emotions, kind of subside, there are actions that are regretted. Maybe somebody called the police and they really didn't mean to, or they called the police and they meant to, but they sort of wish they hadn't. Or they said things that because they wanted to be right that turned out not to be correct, and they want to correct the record. All of those things are very common when it comes to domestic violence cases. And all of those things need to be addressed before you go to court, not after. Domestic violence cases are very charged. The prosecutors that are assigned to them understandably take them very seriously. And once the case goes to court, getting them to agree to dismiss it or even significantly reduce it can be extremely hard to do. Okay, whereas if you're able to contact them beforehand and give them a better idea of what the situation is now, what people's opinions are now, what they think about the case now, what their testimony would be, as opposed to what's in the police report, which might be the only thing the prosecutors read, you may be able to sort of forestall the prosecution. You've got a much higher percentage chance of doing that than you do of getting the case dismissed after it's filed. And so for that, you're going to need the help of someone to help coordinate with the prosecutor's office and get all that done, again, before you go to court. So if you're facing that type of situation, we've been down this road a million times before, so please give us a call. Our number here is 619-577-0868.